Welcome to my channel, Lux Lux Lucem. I am Franck. Today we are going to look at two Camillus knives, Boy Scouts knives or whether Cub Scout knives. But first of all, thank you for subscribing, it is really important for the channel. And then you can also visit my Instagram. We will start by looking at the most recent model and then the older model. These are two very similar models manufactured in the period from 1976 to 2007. 2007 is the year where Camillus closes for the last time it does. They produced the official knives for the Boy Scouts of America since 1947. The model with the smooth handle is known as the utility knife. It was introduced in 1998. The oldest is known as the official camp knife. It began to be marketed in 1976. In terms of equipment, we are on very simple knives. A 2.5-inch blade in carbon steel for the camp knife and stainless steel for the utility knife. A bottle opener and flathead screwdriver combo. And finally, an awl. Note that the bottle opener and the awl have a blade lock. The camp knife has blue Delwyn scales, a kind of plastic, with a jigged bottom. The utility knife has Swiss Army knife type plates but blue, probably ABS. Both have the Cub Scouts badge, but the most remarkable is that of the camp knife, a brass insert with a wolf's head and the word Cub Scout. So, two Boy Scout knives that are not, because technically, Cub Scouts are for younger children, those who are not yet old enough to be scouts, children between 5 and 10 years old. For me, they are super practical knives. They have this little old-fashioned side that makes all the charm. And then they don't take up space in the pocket, 5 inches and 5/8 or 8.6 centimeters, a bit like a Victorinox Tinker Small. I have a slight preference for the older model, with its brass insert, the badge with the wolf's head. The next video will be about a Swiss Army knife that deserves to be known. If you like that video, please subscribe. Please like, share, comment, it really helps out the channel to grow. Thank you for watching. I am still Franck and you are still watching Lux Lux Lucem. Take care and see you soon.